you need?
Right now? Nothing. I brought tools today,
Oh.
bro.
Oh, right on.
I never use this thing, so
Right on.
I bought it as my car kit. Bring it to the track.
Oh, man.
Wow. What happened?
Snap the head.
What's that for? Is that a door system? Oh. Right on.
But it's a real thing.
Oh,
People
okay.
love that shit.
So, like, I would love to have actual plants downstairs, like ones that don't require a light on them. I just don't get proper light. Is this out?
Yeah. There's nothing in it. Remember? Just pull. Give her a good shimmy and a shake. I don't think there's anything in it. I don't know what would be holding it. This one's out.
I don't know. Oh, you know what? I think it's just the. I think it's the splash guard. It's coming. I think it's just the splash shields. Was just kind of. There it goes. Yep. I think it was just the splash guard was holding it in place. I think a better. Compared to that bumper, that is a lot nicer.
That fitment, though.
The fitment, not too good. It's debatable. Like, I wonder if that bumper just.
It fits the same on both sides, though.
Oh, it is the same on both sides. Oh, yeah, I guess it is. Why did I think that side was worse? I think that's just because you said that.
All right, let's pull the bumper. Let's pull the bumper and figure it out.
All right. Yeah, I just don't. Yeah, that just like looking at
No,
it.
I completely agree with
hurting
you.
my
It's
head.
just like it does nothing, right? Like. Why is there so many screws left over?
Because we didn't follow the instructions. I always end up with extras like that.
Go turn the car.
Turn it on?
Yeah, turn it on. That sounds nice.
It does sound nice, eh? I honestly, I really enjoy these engines. Like the straight six engine in general. Like, I really enjoy
They're
them.
nice. I don't know. I just
They're
never
great.
really. You know what it is? Why it's not fitting? This.
So that might have to be unbolted and adjusted or bent upwards or something.
That's exactly what it is. Want to take it off? Let me bolt it.
like the top's flat, but that's all for sound dampening. But like realistically, this really isn't a bad unit. That ribbed
Oh, see that you look so nice.
oh, it looks great.